Morning all. Look at like not look at this AUD cat. I have predicted this and I was going to take the trade right here. In morning I woke up and I saw like, hey, this is bit down. I need the retracement. We got the retracement. I literally added the alarm, but the alarm haven't got enter. This was the exact trade we should be looking into, but the alarm haven't enter, haven't got trigger, haven't took the trade. But again, we missed this beautiful trade, man. I mean, this was the crazy. Where the risk reward ratio tool is right here. Come on, man. Short position. This was a trade, man. This was the trade right there. Fuck. We missed this, man. Like crazy. Yeah, the stop loss will be over here. So this was a trade. TM, look at this. It's straight to the take profit, but I'm not into that trade. Fuck happened like fuck. So I've predicted that, and also was going to take the trade, but just because of the alarm won't got trigger, and I was getting ready, and technically even if the alarm will get trigger, I will still wait for the candlestick closure on over here. So I will definitely not take the trade, but just this candle. Once the doji candle is created, it needs to create the retracement candle, which haven't created, haven't took the trade. This is also we can say, but the prediction was correct. So now I'm also discarding this fx replay bullshit thing, because it's just not working the way we wanted. Okay. Oh yeah, 7:30, 7:45 I will do this and then we'll right now heading towards the job that I hate the most, and we are going to get late if I don't go fast. Bullshit thing यार, like क्या life चल रही है मेरे brain show. Hey man, I'm just done with this, This bullshit motherfucking job has took my extra 1 hour and fucking 45 minutes. This is so motherfucking people's art. They just don't motherfucking respect the other people's time. I am so angry on them and so angry on me, because I feel like to cry, like I fucking feel like to cry. By doing this, I'm only wasting my time, man. Let's go home. We need to. Also have done a lot of things. Reschedule a lot. I'm crazy. I'm motherfucking यार. क्या चल रहा है समझ में आया मेरे को बहुत. Let's go यार. Man, to save time, I have given this bike to dad's hospital, because if I go home to bring the dad, I have to get out again at like 8:30, like 2 hours, and pretty much it will take a whole 1 hour for coming back and then get ready. Pretty much to save that 1 hour, I was like, let's give the bike there and let's go to home by walk. That will save, this 5-minute walk will save my 1 hour. So this is what it is. Signing off. Also I have, reschedule everything I have come up with, but I have to do the lecture and then do the Sunday swing practice, and after doing that, then I can eligible for that $100 to $1 million flip. That is what I have updated, because even if I'm going to do that $100 to $1 million challenge, that will be like, I will be analyzing the currencies by the logic which I have right now, which is the current logic is okay, but it doesn't have like a multiple entry logic. So the multiple entry, if I was having the multiple entry logic, means I'm just taking one high probable setup, and that is coming like a one month, once in a 1 month. So and the trades Alex is taking is having like a every single week. So that logic of medium probable trades as well that is also that is what I wanted to check. Once that done, then I can able to analyze recurrences. I will show you what I'm speaking. Probably it's so like let me explain in one line. First, I have to go and watch 2024 and 2025 Alex lecture. Then after that, I'm going to do the 3 years of backtesting data, and after that, then I can able to do the $100 $2 million challenge, that lecture. So this is how the process is going to look for, and yeah, I reach home. Look at this. Signing off. And you can see. So I'm pretty angry right now, a lot, and you can't see because how in the world I can show. Let's go home and let's get ready. Everyone, so look at this. So I have fully changed my plan exactly. So see, like I have to log in and show you. Wait, so I really want to show you what I mean by every single thing. So let me just show you. So this is it, and I'm not going to like let you read every single thing. I'm going to explain you. Just a second. I will turn on the light. I really don't have like hours and hours right now. I just have like 1 to 2 minutes. So here we go. So what the problems is, I'm not getting trades per week from November. Like there are two types of problem. Which one suits me? Here we go. So I'm not getting trades per week in November. Or second problem is I'm getting trades, but I am missing it because the entry signal is not presented from 3 months. November, December, January, February, March, 3 months. So this is the exact problem I'm facing. I'm predicting the market even this week as well. I have predicted all of the market. Have done the exact thing what I wanted to do, but we missed it because there was no entry signal. And this is exactly happening from like 4 months. Something is somewhere wrong, right? So then I'm like, so I have selected this as a problem statement. So then there is like they're coming up with how we can solve this problem. First solution we can come up with, learn new strategy. Let's hop on to new strategy. Then second is like learning new strategy is not going to work. That's out of the list. Second is backtesting current strategy and try to learn the other entry signals too. Right now I'm just focusing on extremely high probable. So now I'm understanding it is not coming every single month. It's just coming like a 2 to 3 months, once in 2 to 3 months. So yeah, now we have to backtest and see other types of entry signal. Right now my entry signal is super extremely so like so much that that entry signal is just coming like once in a 2 3 months. So now I have to go and backtest like a 3 to other entry signals. What does Alex? That is what we can do. The third solution is do the lectures again and try to learn what he do when comes to area of interest. That is only the thing, like entry, how he do entry. And fourth thing, or try to learn the day trading from him. That is the $100 to $1 million challenge, which was yesterday we were doing. But then then I come up with I have done my whole drop down analysis. Whole drop down analysis I have done on me. So it's going to take only 1 minute. This is the last part. So I have come up with, so to get 100% successful, not 50%, not 60%, 100% successful. The problem is right now is we are getting trades. First of all, we are not getting trades, the high probable trades. And second is the whatever trades we are getting, that trades is like missing because their entry signal is not being presented. The entry signal which I want is not getting presented, and every single week is happening to the thing that is I'm trading the market, but it is just market is if I say market is going to go up, market is going up, but I'm not into that trade. So why what goes wrong? So entry signal is the only thing. I'm just taking the most high probable entry signal, but there are a lot of other entry signals too. Just give me a minute. Alright, so this is the last thing. First thing I have come up with, I have to do the lecture which is of 2024 and 2025. This is a 30-day bootcamp. I have to finish this to get to understand the logic, other logic. Right now I have created my own logic that hey, this is it, and this is what I need to to take the trade. But this logic is this type of trades are coming like a once in 2 to 3 months, which is not good. Previously it was coming like a once in every single week, but now it's just coming like once in a 3 months. Oh, my hand is spinning like anything. So now I have to do the lecture, which is of 2024 and 2025 bootcamp, which is going to take almost 1 month. But what if I exclude this lecture part and go ahead? Then the reason is also, if I exclude this lecture, then I won't be able to understand what he do when he comes on area of interest. New logic, the new signal which I might miss. I don't know his the new logic, right? What the overcome of this. So I need to do the lecture. And the reason is also I have to do the lecture because if I were having an entry logic, then I could easily take all of the trades I would be in right now in Dubai or New York. Easily. So anyway, with the logic is, without this new entry logic, I won't be able to do the backtesting. Cause yeah, exactly. I won't be able to do the backtesting because if I will be doing the backtesting using my entry logic, my current logic. So it will be same reason. That is again missing a lot more trades. So that is the reason I need to learn the new logic, right? Which is going to come, which is going to understand from the lecture. That is what the first step is. The second step, the second step is like practice the Sunday swings. Once we finish the all the lectures, which is going to take a total time of 1 month, then we're going to go for practice the Sunday swings. Then we're going to go for like practice the whole trading, the exact same trading from 2020 to November till up till now, which is like 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025. A whole 4 years of data using the exact same strategy. So outcome will be I will be having a lot more metrics, profit loss per week, per day, or per how many trades we can get, how much probable, like every single thing which we'll be having. Also how much percentage we can make per week, and even per month. Every single thing is going to get included in this. So I have also have like this like what if I exclude this, what if I exclude this practice of Sunday swings? Then it will be, if I exclude this, then we won't be able to practice what we have learned and never get that confidence. The second is the reason I have to do this to get full market in the ups and the downs. And third is the logic. Without this, I won't be able to be confident on the trade because I haven't had the repetitions on this strategy. Plus, I will be understanding the key metrics is equals to per month earnings, how many trades we don't have near about, like how many weeks there are no trades. So I need every single thing. And the third thing is, and after doing this practice of like for 4 months, for 4 years, which is going to for practicing the data of 4 years, I will be requiring at least 60 days, which is equals to 2 months. This is going to take a little time, but there is no shortcut. I have tried every single shortcut, and guess what? I am still at nowhere, and I have fucking wasted my time from 24 or 20 February till 24 March. Nothing. I started this, then I ended this because there is something new and there's the logic is coming. Like I started doing the lecture and I drop it in middle. Then I started because I feel like I thought like this other approach is going to make it faster. But guess what? I just keep hopping into one task to other rather than finishing one task and then going for another. I just start the tasks, left in middle, go for other tasks, left in middle, go for other tasks, left in middle, and end is equals to I'm still at zero. Nothing is improved, nothing is output. So that is the reason this is going, whatever it is, every single logic is getting covered. Practice $100 to $1,000,000 challenge. After the practice of the Sunday swings, after the practice of 4 years of data, then I'm going to go for drifting. Once I learn how to drive, and once I got the experience of how to drive properly for 4 years of data, then I can start drifting, which is equals to practice of $100 to $1,000,000. So I was having a question like this is of two flips, 2023 and 2024. That is the two flips we have, like he have done. So I'm going to do the lectures and going to do the things. So what if we exclude this? If we exclude this, then we won't be able to understand how we can take the day trades on that currency when there is no weekly trade. So how we can do the day trading to at least like to cope up with that. Then the reason of doing this is equals to I have to do this to understand how we can flip the accounts to flip my account. Exactly. This is like I have to learn this because it will take time. if I just do swing trading over here, I also added that. The logic. Without this, we can't pass the account quicker, the funded account. So also we'll also flip our accounts too, because yeah, then it is coming the most important thing is the why. Okay, it's not going up. Oh, hello there. Okay, let it be. I will just zoom it over here. So here we go, the why. Okay, this was the most important question I was getting. Hey, rather than this, we just skip this lecture and skip this practice. For this is probably going to take a total of 3 months of me. Let's go and let's start the entry thing directly. You're trading the market, that's good, but you're not getting entries, so let's work on the entries. Then I have come up with the answer over here. Why can't I directly start over the day trading thing? The $102 million challenge, that is what the day trading is, and why I can just directly go on that. The first thing, because right now okay, that's the alarm. The first thing, because right now my entry logic is not good, right? If it was, then if it was good, then I won't be missing this 3 months of trades. Then the second is, my entry logic is not good, so I will be analyzing the currencies through my current logic, which is also not good. So if I start here, it will just mess the thing with a new unknown non-explained logic. So this is the whole entire ecosystem of me getting full. I've done this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to just follow this no matter what. I don't care if it like, yeah, this is like, look at the timeline. This is going to cover up. This is for lecture, it is going to take 1 month. I just tentative time. It is going to take more than or less than. But it's average time. Practice Sunday swings, 4 years of data is going to take a whole lot 2 months. Then practice $100 to $1 million challenge is going to take 2 months. Total of 5 months of this course I am preparing for myself. After the five months, and if I do exactly what I said over here, brother, I'm not gonna lie, I will be at the end of the 5 month course. After the 5 months, if I add 2 months into that, that is going to where I'm going to take the trade. It is 1000% guarantee that at the end of the last 2 months, I will win the Dubai or New York. 1000% sure, because this is the exact blueprint right now is going to take me out from place where I am, the situation where I am right now. So this is it. I've invested my 13 minutes in this, just explaining this. Not good. Let's continue the lecture. So our first task is to do the lecture. Let's play. Let's do the lecture.
So these are the types of candlesticks that I use. I'm not going to